Have a seat. Let's talk. Outside in this beautiful nature landscape. How's your day going? Your morning, your night, your afternoon? How's it going? What's bothering you? What's got you encouraged? What's on your mind? I just want to let you know that no matter what you're going through, no matter where you may be at in life, you're going to make it. Don't give up. You can take a rest stop. Sit in the moment. But then you got to get up and keep on going. It's all going to be okay. It's all going to work out. Don't let anybody bring you down. Because you're valued and you're loved by Jesus so much that He cares about what you're going through. He cares about how you feel. He cares about your life. Just talk to Him. He wants to hear from you. And He loves you so much. And you're going to make it. You're going to make it through.